bought the #1 bestseller on Amazon, the best auto detailing product on Amazon by far. Can you guess what it is? It's a cleaning gel, the Universal Dust Cleaning Gel. And the name is Pulidiki. Pulidiki. I didn't make up the name. I mean, the name exists. I'm not making it up. It's called Pulidiki, whatever. So anyway, it's the #1 bestseller in interior care products on Amazon. It's made in China. It has a QR code. It says scan on the Amazon shopping app for using guidelines. So if you have the Amazon app, which I don't, you have to scan that and you'll get some information. It's a car cleaning gel. It's good for PCs, laptops, cameras. They're saying car vents, specifically car vents. And I can see how that can come in pretty handy. Couple notes: keep away from children, don't eat it, obviously. Keep away from direct sunlight and keep in a dry place. There is a service mail email address, akrogservice@outlook.com. That's interesting. Yeah, I mean, I've never used anything like this before. I see a lot of people do use it. It's got over 82,000 reviews. 82,506 at the time of this video, 4.1 stars. So it's a bestseller. It's got tons of reviews. It's got a lot of good stars, 4-point-something stars. Perfect for cleaning, you know, like nooks and crannies of your car, hard to reach places, removes dust basically. A keyboard cleaner, I could see how that could work. There's a lot of nooks and crannies around a keyboard, you know, a computer keyboard that is. It's flexible, reusable, no cleanings required. Yeah, I mean, basically they're just saying that you can kind of get into like little nooks and crannies and stuff, just like that. So, you know, I could see it being handy. So I guess, you know, the whole purpose of buying this is I wanted to kind of check out one of the #1 best-selling products on Amazon for the auto detailing industry. You know, it's cheap. It's $6.99. You know, for gel, it's pretty inexpensive. It's made by a company. It says sold by Pulidiki Direct. Again, I'm not making that up. Pulidiki Direct, and comes in a couple different. Oh, actually, there's a newer model that's also $6.99. It's got 4,891 reviews, 4.1 stars again. And it's like a darker purple. It's not this blue color or teal or whatever that is. It's a purple. I don't know what's new about it. More cleaner, it says, friendly to cars and reusable. So listen, I guess it's a little bit better than this one. I wish I knew that one was out. It's a new upgraded formula. I'll put that link down below also. So there's two of them. One is a teal, which is the older version that sells for $6.99, and for the same price, you can get the upgraded formula, which is the purple one. So just make sure you get the purple one. I made the mistake of ordering the older one. I did not know. Apparently you could pick your favorite color. So let's just try it out. Let's just go to the car. Let's kind of try it out. This is gonna be a short video, just something I'm gonna put together just so that I can try it out and see what it's like. There is an expiration date on it, believe it or not. It says January 15th, 2026. So you got a year to use this, and then that's it. It probably hardens up. So let's open this up and try it in a vent for a car, and let's see how it works. See you in a little bit. It comes sealed, so just keep in mind that if this seal is broken, return it. But it does have a little freshness seal on it so that you know if it's been tampered with or used and returned. So just keep that in mind. All right, and just so you can see the consistency, it's kind of weird. This is it. This is the Pulidiki. You gotta be kidding me. This is the top selling product on Amazon for the auto detailing world. So this right here. So yeah, it's kind of like, I don't even know how to describe it. It's not even like Play-Doh. It's got a weird smell to it, almost like a cleaner smell. So maybe it does have some surfactants in it, who knows? You know, to kind of pull the dirt away from the surface. I mean, it's not sticky, but it's probably sticky enough to remove dust and stuff like that. So let's bring it into the car. Let's try it on a vent area where I know it collects a lot of dust. I'll try to get a before and an after while I work on it, and show you guys how it works. So let's try the Pulidiki. Woohoo! Now I'm going to show you like some areas where dust collects. You know, there's always going to be certain areas that kind of collect a little dust, like in these like little pockets, tray pockets, around buttons, around these buttons right here, and then obviously at the vents, you know, where you have, you know, some dust collecting in and around the vents. So just as an example, you know, I hope you can see that. Put a light here, you know, just kind of give you a little bit more of an idea. But yeah, as much as you try to keep these areas clean, there's always like a little bit of dust. So let's try using it. Let's put the Pulidiki down. Yeah, interesting. It does work. Interesting. You know, it kind of collects the dust. It doesn't leave any residue or anything like that. Let's take the change out of here. See how it does inside this little pocket, because that'll be a little bit more obvious. So you can kind of see in there the dust. I could definitely see how people like this. It's kind of therapeutic. But yeah, I mean, it's completely clean now. That's so weird. This entire area is clean. Whoop. That's pretty cool. Just use it on these buttons right here. Just wrapping it around the buttons. I'm not like dragging it or anything like that. I'm just literally pushing it on the surface and then letting go. In the vents, you know, you can see how you're kind of like getting into the vents. You can see the shape of the vent here. I mean, it doesn't go deep into the vent. It's just kind of like, I mean, I guess I wouldn't go that deep into the vent, you know, because then you risk losing part of this inside there, and you don't want the Pulidiki inside your vent. Whoop. So yeah, but it's doing a pretty decent job of cleaning the surface. So kind of press it down and then pull out, right? Press, and then roll and pull out. I'm gonna try inside these cup holders. That's always a problem area. It's picking up something. That's so cool. I was really skeptical to be honest. You know, I mean, I'm kind of joking around about the product and the name, which is pretty funny, but you know, it's actually working. It's pulling up all the dirt. You know, I guess a little microfiber towel would do the same thing, but you know, sometimes you just don't want to get anything wet. You know, and with those cleaning products, those interior cleaning products, you're always going to get like water or some sort of alcohol in and around certain different places. And sometimes you don't want to do that. I mean, it's pretty damn clean. I mean, it's a lot cleaner for sure. You know, is it as clean as using like an interior cleaner or something? No, you know, but this is definitely an option. Yeah, I mean, it's clean. There's not a lot of dust at all anymore. Is it perfect? No. But, you know, in 2 seconds, the dust is going to be back where it was before. So it's really just a maintenance item, you know? Well, good job, Pulidiki. It's therapeutic. You know? I don't see a lot of dust or dirt or debris in here. You know, well, I do see it a little bit. You kind of see it captured. I don't know if you can see that. It's my review. Quick review, quick video I wanted to do on a Sunday morning. Wanted to use the #1 selling automotive detailing product on Amazon. I'm going to put the link down below for both this one and the other ones, the other colors, and you can pick and choose which one you want to use. But this one's the older one, apparently, the older formula, but it still does a good job, definitely. All right, I'll see you on the next one.